Good morning, Scots. I'm Ian.
Welcome back to Scots Weekly. I'm Lee.
Seniors, listen up, because this announcement is for you.
First, senior breakfast and senior sunset tickets are now on sale. On May 30th, celebrate with your friends and say goodbye to Highland. $10 for the breakfast, $15 for the sunset, and for a great deal, $20 for both. The sale closes on May 24th. Don't delay.
Second, seniors, if you have not picked up your cap and gown yet, please come by the activities office before school, lunch, or after school with your ID to get it. If you did not order one, you must go to Justin's store and buy it. You must.
Got to. Third, if you receive a library overdue notice from your English teacher, please pay it. Miss Brown and Miss Cruz will greatly appreciate it.
Trust me, seniors, you do not want to be in debt. Now, let's talk about Wednesday night event at the Peak Awards. Now it's time for some sports information with Carlos.
Howdy, Scots. My name is Carlos Rafael Iglesias, and we're back out here in the courtyard doing some sports. Not literally, figuratively. We're going to be talking about some sports. If you guys are interested, freshmen, sophomores, and juniors, if you specifically are interested in playing water polo, make sure you guys go find Mr. Prosser. He could be located in room 4PI to figure out all that information about getting you signed up and checked in and when the practices are and all that cool stuff. And if you're interested in doing any other sports, make sure you go check in with Mr. Finch at that office, the athletic office, I think that's what it's called, somewhere over there. And he'll let you know all the information about what you need about physical, maybe, your sports net, or just whatever sport there is. If you want to learn basketball, you see, I play basketball. You can see right there. I play basketball, so, he'll help you out with anything. But that's all I got for y'all today.
Thank you, Carlos.
Now we go with Juan, who has some information about the new quad area.
I'm standing at the new quad area, but you might be wondering why some parts here are blocked off. The reason why some of these parts here are blocked off, like the grass, is because the grass has not set it in. So we'll probably have to wait like around maybe 1-2 weeks-ish. But it sucks for us seniors how we're not going to be able to see it all when it's done.
Thank you, Juan.
Do you want to join the newspaper team next year? Well, listen up.
Hello, Scots. I'm Corey. Are you interested in joining the award-winning newspaper next year? Join the Remind by texting at BT7EGD to 81010. All are welcome. This is an experience that looks great on your resume and gives you a chance to get involved in the school community. There is a role for everyone, from the passionate writer to the meticulous photographer or interviewer. Follow our Instagram at HHScotsNews for updates.
That's it for today.
Remember to plat up!
And have a great day and weekend.